If you're in the trade, you already know speed, support and reliability aren't optional, they're everything. At Made for Trade, every department is built around one goal, making your business stronger, faster and more profitable. Let me show you what happens behind the scenes and how it supports you on the ground. Our marketing team doesn't just promote products, we help you sell them. From brochures and digital content to campaign assets and sales lead support, everything is built to strengthen your brand locally. We invest in Korniche brands so you can win more jobs. Your showroom should sell for you. Made for Trade delivers full Korniche brand support. Our POS and showroom support gives you premium displays, samples and branded materials that build trust instantly. Because when customers see quality, they choose quality. Quoting shouldn't slow you down. With our sales support team and Kwikquote online system, you can price Korniche products quickly, accurately and with confidence. Faster quotes mean faster decisions and faster installs. When you need answers, you need them fast. Our customer service team supports you with orders, updates and after-sales queries, keeping your projects moving. Because your reputation matters, Made for Trade helps you protect it. Behind every Korniche product is precision manufacturing. We manufacture and fabricate Korniche systems in-house, giving us full control over quality, consistency and lead times. No outsourcing, no compromise, just engineered performance. Korniche products aren't just made, they're engineered. Our engineering team constantly develops and refines every system to make installation faster and performance stronger. Running a trade business means managing cash flow and clarity. Our finance team supports your account queries, purchases and warranty questions efficiently and professionally. Clear communication, straight answers, no delays. Products are only valuable when they arrive on time in full. Our transport team ensures efficient UK-wide deliveries planned around your install schedule. And with Kwikcollect, you can pick up when it suits you, because timing on site is everything. So when you partner with Made for Trade, you're not just buying a product. You're backed by marketing, engineering, manufacturing, sales, service, finance and logistics, all aligned around your trade. Made for Trade, built around you.